Hey everybody, and welcome back to Diva's House. In this video, someone asked me to try to do, like the interchangeable bracelets, buttons or snaps. Now I did look on Amazon. There is some snap bracelets that you can purchase and customize those, but those were like rather on the expensive side. So I tried to use what I already have on hand. These are like some really thin, like you can see how thin that is. Like these are some really thin magnets that I got from just my local little dollar store. And you guys know these are just like the little 1-inch pendants. So I have a couple of these. Now this one these are all 1-inch buttons that I made with my button maker. I'm just using things that I already had on hand, so you can customize these, per your, customer's request, especially for Mother's Day. Like these would be cute. You put, like their grandchildren's picture on it. It would be adorable, and they could switch it out. Now doing this, these were not totally bad. So I have some that's just the regular flatbacks, then I have some that have the magnet. Okay, now the ones with the regular flatbacks, those went in perfect and stuck like perfectly, like perfect, not coming off, not sliding, not doing anything. The only thing is there is like a little space, in between it, but I mean it works. It snaps right in, like it is perfect. It works great. They snap right in, but like I said, there is space, around it. Now the magnet ones, now these did slide. Like these were not sturdy. Like even when I'm shaking it, it's sliding. But these, the regular flatbacks with the metal, these did not slide. These stayed in place. They snapped in. It was good. And then I also went a step further, like with the little 1-inch wood. Now I put that on there. Now these actually fit into place, but the only thing is this magnet for this would be on the wrong side. So I would actually need to put this on the opposite side so that, it could like stick to each other instead of, like instead of what is it, what I'm trying to say. Thank you, son. You know what I'm trying to say, like when you put two magnets together, depending on the sides that you have the magnets, like they either attract or they repel each other. So with this one, I would need to glue it onto the opposing side to try to get that to stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some glue on here and glue this magnet down right quick. Okay, so I just went on ahead and glued one down with some super glue. But now this side is sticky because this would normally be the side that you would stick it down on. So just to see if this sticks, let me see if this sticks to the magnet one. You know what, that actually, nope, that did not stick good to the magnet one. Nope, it's like the magnet isn't strong enough. Okay, trial and error. Now can I take this off? Shoot. Alright, so we just went on ahead and took that off, no biggie. Now let's move on to these little bezel pieces that I purchased from Hobby Lobby. Now these are great for bracelets. Let's see how it does in here, because those actually fit in there perfect. Look at that. Now let's see if the magnet ones will automatically stick. No. Okay, so you do need a magnet strip. Let's see, can we get 2 of these in here to just make the magnet a little bit stronger? Now these fit in here perfect. Like those are in there really good. Those are in there perfect. So I'm gonna see if I can maybe get 2 of them in there. That way the magnet is stronger. Let me see. Need to do a little cutting, just a little. Okay. All right, now let's see if the ones with just the flat backs will fit. Perfect. Look at that. Not falling out. Oh, fell out that time. Let's see if I got a stronger magnet.
Mom, can you get a juice, please?
Can you ask your dad if he can get you some juice, please? Honey.
Daddy?
Honey. Can you please get him some juice? And this is what the thin ones look like that I got from.
Mom, Daddy said to give me some.
Okay, so actually, let me try to make this just a little bit stronger. Let me see. Is that the one I don't want that. I'll put that on that. Let's see, put this one right here. You know, like try to put it all around. Alright, now let's see. Well, this one is sticking out a little bit. And I did look on Amazon. They do sell the magnet sheets, which I think would be perfect for this, because the magnet sheets were a little bit thicker than this. Like this is like cardstock paper thin. Like this magnet is really thin, and I think that this project could work with just a thicker magnet strip. Okay, yeah, see, that's a lot better. Now if you were to completely fill that up, all of that up with a magnet, you guys, that's perfect. Like, okay, so we found one that worked. These little bezels from Hobby Lobby, I believe that's where I got it from. These work perfect. They fit the 1-inch, you know, the 1-inch buttons perfect. And you can also use those for like the, you know, the button kits. You can also purchase the button kits and use fabric buttons the same way. And just switch these things out. Goodness, come out. Look at that. Super cute. Okay, so yeah, that's how I would do it. That's cute. But back to these. These did work as well. It just didn't fill up the whole thing. Like these were good. These were not coming off or nothing, or even moving. Like they're not even moving out of place. So you could actually, you know what, that don't look bad to me. That don't look bad to me at all. Like at all. That don't look bad. So you guys get creative with this. Like I said, where's this at? This did not work, did it? But they fit in there so perfect. Look at that. The 1-inch buttons, I mean wood, you know, things fit in there so perfect. It's just about getting that to line up. And this is like too thick. I think you would really need to purchase that fabric. But other than that, the little plain wood, you know, cute. So you know what, I might go ahead and try to purchase some of that. But see, even that, like, that's too thick. That's too thick. Like all of this is just, it's too thick. It would stick up out of the it would stick up too far. You would definitely need a little fabric sheet. but shoot, that worked perfect. Like I said, look at that. That works perfect. Perfect. So, yep. Not moving or anything. Put that on the bracelet. So, that's just a really quick idea that I had on it. Trying to use what I had, the links to. I'm gonna try to find some of these blanks, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. I'm gonna try to find some on Amazon and put it in the description box, as well as some little button kits. Put the button kits in the description box. I'm gonna put those, the paper, the magnet paper, in the description box, because that would be awesome. I probably should have ordered that before I did this video, but hey, I just wanted to give you guys an idea. I know she had mentioned it, and I didn't know how quickly she needed this information, but I mean, just a quick idea. I will see you guys very soon. Bye.